IT admins have a big job, one that's getting bigger and more challenging every day. Their job is similar to a circus ringmaster. But instead of directing trapeze artists and tending tigers, IT admins deal with increasingly complex digital infrastructure, where security and day-to-day maintenance demands grow exponentially, while also becoming more critical. And with shrinking resources, IT admins are in a near constant state of catch-up, while they juggle multiple roles and responsibilities. This results in too much time firefighting, instead of focusing on proactive activities. It doesn't have to be this way. vRealize Automation's SaltStack Config gives IT admins the power of centralized, optimized, scalable, and automated control and security across the stack. From infrastructure to apps, SaltStack Config is a modern configuration automation platform in vRealize Automation. It delivers the power of Salt, a robust Python-based open-source automation engine, to users of the industry-leading self-service infrastructure automation platform, vRealize Automation. This delivers fast, scalable, day 0 through day 2 automation and orchestration across disparate environments. Let's see how it works. SaltStack Config enables IT professionals to build and deploy consistent configuration states across on-prem, hybrid, or multi-cloud environments with simple declarative configuration automation. Plus, event-driven automation lets them quickly and easily detect and remediate critical misconfigurations. SaltStack Config can also orchestrate complex tasks such as patching and execute lightning-fast remote commands across systems at hyperscale. Now, IT teams can pivot from manual fixes and maintenance to innovate, build solutions, and drive business forward. With cloud-agnostic configuration, SaltStack Config reduces security and compliance risk by enforcing consistent configurations across all cloud environments. IT can provide a dependable approach to triaging and escalating incidents with out-of-the-box automation modules. This minimizes the risk of security breaches and outages, while also enabling teams to take advantage of the cloud and maintain best practices in governance. With VMware vRealize Automation's SaltStack Config, IT professionals can perform a balancing act by automating and optimizing routine but critical tasks. The result? Less juggling and more peace of mind of consistent, reliable, and secure configuration level, and the freedom to focus on innovation to fuel the business. To learn more, visit